My name is Krishi from grade 5 Narmada. I am going to say about patriotism. Tomorrow is a day when we have received our independence from British rule. Our nation became the independent country in 1947. Like every year, we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day and pay tribute to all the great people who have sacrificed for our freedom and are still sacrificing their lives to ensure the security of independence. I am feeling highly esteemed by the opportunity to speak on our patriotism. This topic is very sensitive to me because I love my country very much. We all know how many hardship freedom fighters have faced to make India independence. Patriotism is important for the freedom of any country. A patriotic person is one who is always ready to sacrifice his life for the need and love of his country. One of the best qualities of any person is patriotism. It is a scarce sense of mind. Thankfully, we live in an independent country. Rather than our great freedom fighters who have achieved this after giving many struggles and sacrifices. Now we do not have to struggle and sacrifices every day. Therefore, keeping in mind those great people who have fought for our freedom, we are full of patriotic feelings. Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many other great people worked hard till their last breath, just because they wanted to see their countrymen, living in harmony. It is only work for great people who still remain them in the world. Not necessarily everyone should be a freedom fighter or serve their country by joining army, navy or air force. By becoming a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, you can give love to the country, or you can help poor, hungry or needy people, save water, save environment, etc. You can join the NGO by distributing water in the summer or distributing blanket in the winter as a help to the needy. You can show your love of mankind. Show your true patriotism. Patriotism is not only freedom fighter. It also includes the honest feelings of the country, the countrymen, and the true love, which can be displayed through emotional work for the development of the country. Love your country and do it in your work. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a nice day.